To the untrained eye, a wasteland, but to motorcycle riders and prairie folk, the big skies and endless roads mean freedom. We're a wind and weather-hardened people, descendants of homesteaders, farmers, and people coming to this beautiful land for a new beginning. It's only natural we'd explore these parts together on our motorcycles. Exploration's in our blood. The railroads played a major part in Western Canadian history and can be seen around where we'll be riding. This time of year there's a lot of grain moving around the prairies, and always potash constantly moving in Saskatchewan. We've been blessed this year with some warm weather in the high 20-degree mark, so I've been riding my bike a lot more than usual. In these parts the big twin reigns supreme. The vibration of the bikes can be felt in your chest as we pound down the sun-baked highway. It's exceptionally windy today. There are some times during the ride where the wind gets under my helmet and nearly rips it off my head. I remember thinking, you gotta pay to play, this is prairie riding, harden the F up, while a massive smile crossed my face beneath my helmet. This is a beautiful ride. If you saw my last video, we visited Big Merce Tavern in Dundurn, Saskatchewan. Today we are headed out to Manitou Beach, also located in Saskatchewan. Manitou Beach is approximately an hour and 20 minutes from Saskatoon. In similar fashion to last week's video, we're showcasing another motorcycle destination. We stopped at a place called Mike's Beach Bar. It was Tuesday. They had a Taco Tuesday deal. As you guys know, I love tacos. So I grabbed some $3 tacos, which were fantastic after a long day of riding. Really hit the spot. We were all wishing that we'd come here a little bit earlier in summer when the weather was a tiny bit nicer, but the back volleyball courts completely overlook the water, and it's amazing. It'd be awesome to bring a lot of people out here. Definitely going to do that next summer. The food was really, really good. The atmosphere is really good. I kind of like the dive bar feel. It's, just classy enough that you can have an awesome time with your friends.